Are you a minority entrepreneur looking to access opportunities and resources to grow your business? Minority Business Certification can provide you with valuable recognition and support in the marketplace. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the process of applying for Minority Business Certification, empowering you to unlock new avenues for success and advancement. Firstly, it's essential to understand the significance of Minority Business Certification. Minority-owned businesses are those that are owned, operated, and controlled by individuals from minority groups, including racial or ethnic minorities, women, veterans, and individuals with disabilities. Certification as a minority-owned business offers official recognition of your status as a diverse business owner, opening doors to various benefits and opportunities. To begin the certification process, research the certification programs available and determine which ones align with your business's characteristics and objectives. Many government agencies, non-profit organizations, and private corporations offer certification programs specifically designed for minority-owned businesses. Before initiating the certification application, ensure that your business meets the eligibility criteria outlined by the certification program. This may include factors such as the percentage of ownership held by minority individuals, evidence of minority control and management, and compliance with any additional requirements specified by the certifying agency. Next, gather all the necessary documentation and information required for the certification application. This may include business registration documents, tax returns, financial statements, proof of minority ownership and control, and any other supporting documentation requested by the certifying agency. Once you have compiled the required documentation, submit your certification application following the instructions provided by the certifying agency. Be prepared to provide detailed information about your business operations, ownership structure, financial status, and any relevant personal background information for the business owners. During the certification review process, the certifying agency will assess your application to ensure compliance with their eligibility criteria and standards. This may involve conducting site visits, interviews, or additional verification steps to validate the information provided. If your application is approved, you'll receive official certification as a minority-owned business, granting you access to a range of benefits and opportunities, including government contracts, supplier diversity programs, networking events, and business development resources. In summary, obtaining Minority Business Certification is a strategic step towards advancing diversity, equity, and inclusion in the business landscape. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well equipped to navigate the certification process and position your business for success and growth in today's diverse marketplace.